Just heading over to Peter's. See if he's had some more progress on his Goldwing. And his house is about a mile from my house, maybe half a mile. Took me about an hour and a half to edit that video last night because he's a compulsive swearer. He uses the F-bomb every third word, so I gotta cut that out of there. Anyways, I'm just about at his house here now. Beam's off. Still trying to figure out this video editing tool that I have, and that's why I'm having all these difficulties with it. Just so simple on the YouTube one, which they cut out. Stabilize it and edit it and add music and stuff like that. I'm just not real handy with doing it. Anyways, here I am, just pulling into his house. His garage light should be on, which it is. And we'll see what he's doing in there.
Yeah, that's it. I done that for 1 hour. Was a nightmare to get apart because it's so delicate like that.
Just cuts it here.
Took me a few hours.
Bend it and weld it.
But I got my body bruised here. So that's fine. And yeah, and we'll figure it out and we get it down. And
You could sit on it now,
I'm here every night. I'm here every night. So from 4:30 I'm here. So that's awesome. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
the difference.
Okay, and you show me that picture here on my computer on your phone, so I know exactly. Perfect. That's awesome. Good.
Got this all leveled up.
Yeah, definitely. I'll go check it out. I'll go check it out with you. Don't worry. All right. Thanks you call, Fox. Appreciate it. All right, tell everybody hi from me. Bye. Yeah, bye. So I gotta weld everything on the bike. I thought I will do this on the table and finish it up, and as soon as you start welding, it pulls. So I have to put the level on. This one was no good at all. I have to recut it. I have to bring it more in.
Make a new one?
Because I have to go by the seat, make sure everything fits.
It's nice and level this way here.
Well, I have a digital level on.
So is that
So now I'm gonna make a plate in here.
That's high enough, like you don't need to put that plywood under, do you?
No, that's perfect. That's how she
that looks about right there.
Oh yeah, because you don't want to slope it too much forward.
That's what I thought yesterday. You had it too slow. You'd be sliding forward.
It's just fucking perfect. And my foot pegs gonna be right here because I want leverage on that.
So they're lower than you thought. Then they're below that.
Right? They're gonna.
Oh no, they'll be right down where you said, right down here, eh?
Yeah. So you know how I want to cover this mess in here. So they're gonna be perfect. I'm gonna make a bracket at work, and it's gonna be coming right here.
How's the bracket gonna? You gonna weld the bracket right on there?
Weld it on it, and then you bolt this babies on. And this, I had a great idea. You cannot make a rod that long. It will be flexible.
Funny,
So we make a pivot joint in here,
right?
And from this one we get another rod to there. So it'd be like a double, you know.
Yeah.
It's gotta work. It's gotta work.
Yeah.
We make it 2 joints instead of 1.
Yeah. Well, they do that on all the drag bikes. All the drag bikes are like that. They're way the hell back here. But, But
Well, it's simple. So you're shifting. You got this thing on, and you gotta shift this forward. Okay. Put the first gear. Well, then this first one's gonna be on a joint, and then another link is coming forward. So it's gonna be like this, and another one's gonna go forward. But this gotta be pivot and solid. Okay, so this thing doesn't that move, see, and that's gonna move like that.
Can they make a spline for you like that?
Oh, I can get anything done in a machine shop. Then I gotta get all this cleaned up, this mess, because there's another plate over top of it. There's another plate over top,
You're not
right?
you don't need this anymore.
No, just cut everything, and this is a double plate all the way here. So I gotta clean that out with a grinder.
Yeah. That's good. Well, like that looks like it's one piece like that.
Almost, no?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna finish this. This is just the first coat weld.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna put a second coat over and finish it up.
Oh, and this fits nice now too.
Yeah,
Nice,
and the
nice
gas
and
tank still, see, it's still in a rubber.
Lots of room, eh?
And there is an adjustment on this thing I didn't notice on those brackets.
Oh.
You can bend a little bit
yeah,
in and out,
yeah.
so
Perfect.
we'll keep it that way.
Yeah.
I'm just glad you don't see that stupid pipe underneath. It
Yeah.
covers. Like it's almost the tank goes forward now.
So you don't even need a cover in here if you got a polished aluminum tank or something like
That's
that.
what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Make
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, they've got the spoked wheels there.
No shit.
About 139 with them shipped.
For both?
No, one.
One. Oh yeah, that's
One.
what I.
And that's a
figured.
good one.
That's
They
a
got
good
some.
one.
They got some ones that are all quoted for 69,
fuck
79
that.
bucks. No.
If I spend money, I buy good ones. You know, and start with something. Even we talk about Bill's side. He said, "My God," he said, "the spoke wheels just make the bike."
Oh yeah.
It's-
And they're all, it's aluminum,
You know.
rims.
That's
So-
a beauty.
You could paint or polish the aluminum or paint the spoke.
I was here until midnight yesterday, and I'm telling you, I'm done. Today, I'm not doing too much. I'm just gonna do this.
This is good too. You got if this. Ah, that rotor's pretty bad.
I got another one.
Do you? Good rotor?
Oh yeah,
Because all the ones that they're selling don't have
Yeah.
the rotor on it.
yeah, of course.
Yeah,
well,
they
I
took the
don't, I
rubber.
don't need it.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be right in here, which is perfect
Yeah.
because you won't see that ugliness, and I can adjust the shift.
Do you even need this? Just buzzer.
No, don't need it at all.
Oh, unless it stops you, this from hitting your heel. The swing arm coming up and down. Maybe I don't know.
Yeah.
Shouldn't do. Or your pant leg in there.
So, and I need those things on, and I'm gonna make a loops and here.
Yeah.
So you slide the seat in like that, and then have a bolt in the bottom.
A little plate with it'll bolt into there, eh? You
Yeah.
Put a plate across and bolt.
put the
Yeah.
plate on it.
You have to bend the plate up a little bit.
I gotta trim the seat a little bit, play with
Yeah,
that.
that's gonna be pretty neat. That's gonna work out
Okay.
good. Yeah.
Gonna have to. No, I only have so much energy. Believe it or not.
Yeah.
Today I had to do much more work on this bitch.
My back's feeling it. My
The
back's
problem
feeling
is
better
now I'm
today.
just waiting for the panel. They just start maybe today, but
Oh, it
no,
didn't come in, no.
didn't came.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna fit another panel tonight. And look at this.
What are you gonna do? What panel? Oh, you gotta grind the other side?
This was like a half an inch bundle in here. I mean, big long bundle. This was all rust, filled with bundles. Stupid. People are stupid, that's all. So I assemble us all the way around, clean it up.
You didn't do any of that.
No,
Bronzing, no.
don't even that's in my
Little bronzing.
that thing sold. I would have grew up. I don't even talk about it. People are butchers, no? Bottom line.
My back was out. When I was talking to my work today there, I gotta stand up in the mirror. It's feeling pretty good right now. I took a bunch of pills and
Yeah.
creams on it, and I think it's straightened itself out. It's been out for about a week.
I passed.
So that one you gotta grind a little bit too, eh?
Yeah.
So these two are permanent right now. These are done. Just have to
Those
cut them
are
off.
done. Yeah, I
Just gotta weld it up.
will build it up, clean it up.
Yeah.
Hey, give me a minute. I want to line this, and that's it for tonight. Can't do it anymore. Simple as that. So I can even go see Lotso because Lotso is in Florida.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Started running it.
Yeah.
So where are they adjustable?
Well, this brackets you can bend
Oh, I
it.
see. Yeah.
They're not very.
Little
Just
bit in
gotta
or
go
out, I guess.
higher, yeah. They gotta go a little bit higher. Bing, bing, bing. Yeah. That's okay. This is the only thing I'm doing tonight because my brain doesn't work. And if it doesn't, you're tired.
Right.
you just- I got this one. It was crushed, so I straightened that up at work. I gotta re-weld it.
What was crushed?
The side of the foot peg.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
I bought them from Cody's, super
Yeah.
cheap. And price was right, like $50 or whatever for both. They sell like $150 a piece.
That's ridiculous.
There's guys got 3 of them for sale. 3 of them and all bunch of parts. $2,000 are best offer. I'm cleaning.
Old ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, they did make spoke wheels right to 77.
So,
I thought it was just the first or second year.
they will find a whole
74.
lot sitting in my house. You see that price? They sold that house.
Everything's just going up. It's going crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, the RC interest rates are going to go up.
Until the interest rates hit us, and then watch out, it's gonna kill us.
This isn't lined up with that at all.
Oh yeah, that's exactly. So I'm still cleaning, buddy. Takes a little bit of time. I just don't want to hit it too much, so. Guys, they got 0 tools. I mean, the idiots. I'm telling you flat out, Bruce. I'm working with the morons. I'm not kidding. Sorry to say.
And they make more money.
Yeah, they don't know shit from Paddy. I'm telling that flat out. There's one kid. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna getting divorced. This kid was getting divorced, and there's another guy. Oh, I'm just gonna take fucking more. Still get a little bit more. I'll just take his house over and payments over. I said, that's like an idiot. I said he paid 175. I said that house gonna sell for 230, 240 minimum. Oh, or that area, Rosedale, we're looking for a house. We're thinking to buy
Good luck.
something. And I said, well, you watch. Oh no, you watch. I'm gonna take it over. Fucking right.
Yeah, right. He just made himself an extra 50 grand.
Yeah.
People are fighting over houses right now. It's just unbelievable.
I moved from Sarnia. If we ever sell out everything, pack it up. And I'm just gonna move out.
Pretty close.
Yeah,
Is it hitting something up here too? Oh, it's hitting this gauge up here. There you go.
Still a little tiny bit. Let me see, where's the nut? Yeah, a little bit. I should put that gauge in and bolt
Because
that
those
too.
bolts are holding that out a little bit.
But I got a little tiny bit, teeny beeny. Just about. Steve said he's coming to me and work on his bumper.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, he stopped by today, but he didn't feel like to work. So we had coffee.
Oh, we came. We didn't want to work. Yeah, it's hard in the wintertime, eh? When it's dark.
Oh yeah.
Dark all day. You still get around it a little more there.
I'm just gonna. I don't wanna leave it tight until I play with that.
Yeah, at least it fits on there.
Yeah. And then the seat's gotta be modified.
Yeah, this is heavy tubing. Holy, so that's
Oh, fuck.
more than double the thickness of those Nortons.
Yeah. That's good.
That's why they'll break and bend.
When I look at an original seat on those bikes,
Yeah,
they almost start right here.
yeah.
So I didn't make any actually.
They're really thick seats.
Oh, huge. So these seats are much lower, and because of that, I can make that space between. Actually, I can make bigger gas tank what it was originally.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
No, not probably. I'm telling you. I look at that. The original gas tanks are weird and stupid.
Yeah.
There's nothing good about them.
You made a template already?
I'm gonna no.
Oh.
Takes me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. The guy said, Peter, I cut it up for you with a torch. Like we had torches. Like on the mush.
Use a plasma cutter, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's very similar to plasma cutter, but it's torch. It can go up to 12 inches.
Oh yeah.
12 inches. Bruce, it's insane.
Oh, you're gonna make that plate for that thing.
Yeah. Insane. They can go 12 inches thick. 12 inches, my God. I'm gonna cut it this way.
Yeah, the plate's got to be that way.
It's gonna be this way definitely, but this gotta sit this way, Bruce. So I'll do this way first.
Everything by eye.
That's how we are now.
Yeah, we don't have any CAD or computers.
Yeah. The sad part it is we can build better than lots of guys. Clean it 4 times.
I don't know how you can work to midnight anymore, Peter. I cannot do that. Not anymore.
Don't think about it.
Yeah, unless there's a trip the next morning. Go on a motorcycle trip.
Yeah. Fuck it up already.
Cut it too short.
I started actually. That's what I mean. If my brain doesn't work, I'm telling you, it's no go. No.
Too short.
I just I gotta first think really.
Like it's got to be square across, right, for your toe.
So this is the area how it's on the bike. It's not, but they're almost facing forward like.
So
this.
these two should be probably vertical.
No.
No, a little bit of an angle.
Look at the foot peg, and look at the foot peg. If you vertical,
Oh yeah.
it's not. And a Hayabusa, this thing facing almost
Maybe
like
that's flat.
that.
Yeah.
So that's how it's gotta be. So I gotta think really, and I wanna get that bracket so it covers. I don't know, stupid way I even cut anything like that. Yeah, it's gotta go.
Yeah, right across up to here too, maybe.
It's gotta go because if I wanna have a bolt in here, I gotta go back. You know. I gotta go back. I weekend thing wouldn't be there, or
Yeah, you're gonna need to make a plate across here just for the strength.
I have to have a something. I was thinking, put a plate against like this and weld it, and then I can cut this and roll it and then cap it.
Right.
You know, like I done on a 4-wheeler.
Right.
But I'm gonna look at the pictures on a Hayabusa. I'm positive this is the way it's almost it should have a line of that. I'm not kidding.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, see, that would match. That's how I'm gonna do it, buddy. Tomorrow. I'm gonna look at the Hayabusa, how they look, and I'm telling you, that's it. It's gotta be because if this goes face down, that goes face up, and it's not. If you look at the foot pegs, it's always warning forward. So this gotta be it this way.
You know, I'll look for some extended linkages on there too. Sometimes they got the guys selling parts of drag bikes. They might have extended linkages.
Yeah, but we make it at work. We got a threaded rod. We got everything here. Machine rod, Bruce. That's 11 inches, and I'm gonna bring it all the way up. That's 6 inches. So you're gonna have that. I'm telling you, there's quite a bit of fuel, and it goes all the way up. It's gonna go all the way up to the neck. I think it's gonna be. I can even make and here this way, Bruce, like that. So that's extra fuel too. Extra fuel.
Well, this is going to be traveling.
Yeah,
up
but
a
it's
little
gonna be straight.
Yeah.
It won't be that low,
No.
like this thing, and bring it up to here. I'm gonna make it from paper. Like that, from building it, like from paper, and then you bend it out, figure it out. It's gonna go up this way, all the way
So
up.
where was the fuel pump on the original one?
It's a fuel pump. It's right
separate.
there.
Oh yeah, over there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it a mechanical one?
Yeah, mechanical.
Yeah.
I think that's the one thing I'm gonna buy electrical. I think so.
Yeah.
You can buy them cheap for 20, 30 bucks.
Yeah, low
And low pressure, yeah.
6 pounds.
Yeah. Because they're cheap, they're not expensive, and that would be ultimate. Yeah, because in that gas tank, the gas tank is gonna go here, goes all the way in this way, and then you got a higher where the neck's gonna go, you know, and I can bring that gas tank, Bruce, all the way here, like that low. So I got more fuel, and bend it all the way this way.
Yeah, that'll be a.
Well, once I have it made up from that paper, I can pre-calculate it how many gallons. See, I go all the way up to the first bracket, up to here, and all the way down, and then bring it this way, and all the way here, and wide, as much wider you can get. It'd be quite a bit fuel, I'm telling you. Okay, as long as I get 100 kilometers.
Oh, you get more than that. Holy shit.
If you get 120, you're laughing, because
you-
everywhere you go 120.
These things get 45 miles a gallon, 42, 45. Yeah,
Oh,
you'll get a couple hundred kilometers on it. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
150 would be good.
You'll get 200 kilometers.
It's got a big glowing, big gliding.
Yeah.
And especially when you put 4 to 1, it will run.
Yeah, I think I
It
get
will
42,
be very
45 on mine, on that Goldwing.
I gotta cut that seat. I gotta cut this. That seat. That seat gotta be more against, so I know exactly where to continue.
Yeah.
And then figure that, weld that. I gotta stay on this project
Yeah,
first.
get the seat down. Yeah. And
And
in
a
mine,
frame.
you have to run the premium fuel in these ones. And the old, remember
Said
said that?
that.
1980 and prior. What a difference it makes in fuel economy and performance. You run the high test in these ones compared to the regular. Makes a big difference.
I always love those motors. Shit. I always love that motor.
It's cool looking, but you won't like leaning into the corner with them because they drag. I was dragging mine. Especially if you lower it down another half inch in the front. But, you try it.
No, I'm not gonna raise.
I think mine had the bars on. That's
Yeah.
when my bars were dragging. Yeah, the
I'm
bars.
not gonna raise, Bruce. I'm not gonna. It's strictly to
It's gonna
really
be cool
go
looking,
for a
man.
ride a little bit. People's gonna wonder what in the world you did.
Yeah, take the horn off it. They won't know.
Yeah, it's gonna be one of those days. I can't wait to get this junk done. It's like
Yeah, more room here.
There's another guy with a Jaguar. He wants me to do complete. They then started in the Dalcor. Dalcor closed the doors. Now he's got no place to go.
Yeah.
But I said to him, I'm not doing it for $3,000, and your Dalcor will do it. Not even close. Not even near close. Shit, I got $1,100 and a Lowe's to pay out.
Well, that's it for tonight with Peter. I'll go back over there tomorrow night and see how much he's got done. And I'll try to film a little bit every night when he's working on it. What else was I going to say about that? Yeah, he swears a lot. I'm just editing this video here now. And I got to stop it about every 10 or 15 seconds and edit out the F-bombs, or otherwise YouTube shuts it down. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, guys, that's it for tonight. And I'll see if he gets a little bit more done tomorrow night.